Welcome back to yet another video, guys. Today is a good day. I am headed to ICD Road. I'm supposed to be linking up with Bug Performance. His name is Jack. He told me he'll be tuning. He has an RX-8 which has an R32 engine with a turbo, VR6, turbocharged, big turbo. So he was tuning the car today, and he was tuning it along ICD Road. So yeah, I told him if I can pull up, he said bet. So that's where we headed to. Hopefully he's there already. Hopefully, because I hate being the first one to something. So that's where we headed to, ICD Road. Quite a sunny day today, man. It's looking good. It's quite a sunny day. The sun feels good on the skin, you know. Realistically, ICD Road might be the best road to do drag races, or to tune your car, or even to do a pull, or to do a 0 to 60. ICD Road is the best road. It's very smooth. Hopefully they don't ruin it. But yeah, I wish there was a way I could know the 0 to 60 on Missy, because I've been wanting to, you know, to test the 0 to 60, but I don't have anything to test it with. Maybe I should download the Draggy app. Nasemaje bro? Kumbe mko hizi ends?
Hizi ends.
Missy, we got, you know, E60 over here. I'm just waiting on Jack to be here. But this is a road where people do their pulls, you know. When people have drag races, this is where they come to. So I was hoping Jack would be here. But actually I'm being told they want to run to Viewpoint. That may be a good deal. It's actually a good thing I came here. So yeah, we're gonna be running to Viewpoint. I don't know if we're gonna be waiting for Jack now. If Jack takes his time, we're gonna be bouncing. So I wanna mount this Insta360 on Topher's car. Insta360 is secured. Let's see the pool. Let's see how it does.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
So we are heading out to Viewpoints at the moment, but Tophers, they want to do another pool. They want to do a pool gang, but we're gonna be following them behind as we go to Viewpoints. Yeah. So let me adjust. Alright. What the fuck? That car is loud as hell. That car is loud as hell, man. We have a side quest. Look the way he's moving, gang. He's moving moving like a madman. So we're gonna be fueling Missy up a little bit. We're just below full tank with a few bars. Also Topaz has to refill his. And yeah, here's where we're meeting with a few of the guys. So we're heading out. Had to grab myself a Red Bull and some orange water. Mind you, I have not eaten today, man. It's crazy. I have not eaten today. I'm just surviving on Red Bull and some orange water. People are moving, man. So I gotta go catch up with them. So right now we are like 20 minutes into the run. It's not a long place, it's not a long distance because we are remaining with like 20 minutes. And yo, it's gonna be a short drive but fun. The weather is starting to change a bit, but the scenery is also changing. Let me just, look at that, guys. Sheesh. I've never used this route before. I always use the Nairobi Nakuru highway, but this one I've never used it. This one is quite nice. Scenery, guys, the scenery is so good, man. I swear to God. Woo, look at the scenery. We are 10 minutes to our destination, man. It's gonna be a short trip. Look at this, bro. Look at all this. Here. Let's say we're here, bro. So we've just decided to just go because the distance was too short. Yeah, we've decided to just keep it going and see where the road is gonna take us. So we have collectively decided to just keep going because, you know, that distance I think was too short. We underestimated it. So we're just gonna keep going. I don't know where we are going to exactly, but hey, we just have to keep going and see. This bump is crazy. This bump is crazy, bro. I have to lift the car up, man. That bump is crazy. I was left behind. Where are the guys? They left me behind, but the views, oh my God. The views are crazy. The views are crazy. Sheesh. So this is where people come to get the views, to watch views and stuff. Because this view is immaculate. I'm telling you, this view is immaculate. You can see the plains, the valleys. What? Sheesh. This view is crazy. My God. What? I haven't seen such a beautiful, you know, scenery in a while, but this is magnificent, man. Bitches gold bottles, a lot of scales, a lot of work, a lot of chains on, wait, no shirt, hey,
I've been counting
too much, man, we got my hands hurt.
I'm in the back, she laughing at the haters.
Close the curtain, I got gelato in the air, I got money everywhere, I can brother not myself, broken hearted, I don't care. It's here, all this fucking ice all on me, that bitch could do number still. Body got shot, yeah, what? Another project, another closet, that was a nigga in the city, 488 Robbery. Nigga, who cut the lights on, got all my ice on. When I tell you the views here are immaculate, we got Mount Longonot over there. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's Mount Longonot. Let me try recording with my phone, because they might get it better. Ooh, what the hell? Look at that, gang. We got Mount Longonot way over there. Look how beautiful it sits. Look how beautiful it looks, bro. That's Mount Longonot over there, guys. I'm trying my best because I'm driving as well. We have Missy over here. Did put the Missy plates because I was taking some pictures. So let me show you the lineup again. We got this. We have Missy over there. It's a random run. I didn't even expect to be here. So we got that. We got a BMW over here. We got a Shiva E60. We got a Mazda Axela. We got a W211 over here, E350 I guess. We got a C200 over here, compressor. It's crazy. So that's what we got going on. It's crazy, guys. Sheesh. I'd rather do this than go to the club any day, bro. I'd rather be here than go to the club any day. We got our sexy Missy over here. Ooh, look at that car. Crazy. So it's been a great drive. Feeling good, feeling energetic. I think this is gonna be the end of the video, guys, because we're just gonna go back and we're just using the same route we came with. So I hope you did enjoy that one. That was quite a random run. I never expected it. So I hope you did enjoy that one, and I'll see you guys on the next POV drive. Come on. This was so fun as well.